Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Chrome is up to date and you're signed into the YouTube account that owns the channel. Once done, close extra tabs and other Chrome profiles so extensions and memory aren't interfering. Next, restart Chrome and then reboot your computer to clear transient issues. This gets you past the common startup blockers quickly and primes the browser for the more detailed troubleshooting that follows, so you don't waste time chasing temporary glitches. If YouTube Studio still won't open an incognito window to check whether extensions are the culprit. If it works there, disable extensions selectively and retest. Make sure to clear cache and site data specifically for Studio. YouTube. Calm and remove related Google cookies so stale tokens aren't blocking authentication. Also, go to Chrome settings and disable hardware acceleration and reset any experimental Chrome. To finish, create a new Chrome profile or install Chrome Canary and try opening YouTube Studio there. Profile corruption is a common hidden cause. If network restrictions are possible, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus or add Studio. YouTube. Common Google API and points to the whitelist so authentication and assets load. If those fail, export bookmarks and reinstall Chrome cleanly. Troubleshooting tip. If problems persist after reinstall, check another device and network. This quickly reveals whether the issue is account, device, or network related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.